You think you're working on your looks, hitting the gym, mewing, maybe fixing your style, but something's still off when you look in the mirror. You don't look bad, but you don't look elite either. That's because it's not what you're doing right. It's the 7 hidden habits you're doing wrong that are silently killing your aesthetic. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it fast. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Mouth breathing. The silent face. Killer consequence. You want hunter eyes. Forget it if you breathe through your mouth. Mouth breathing ruins your jawline, weakens your facial structure, and makes your eyes look dull and lifeless. Over time, it literally melts your god face into mediocrity. Simple fix. Tape your mouth at night or train yourself to nose breathe during the day. It increases oxygen, boosts testosterone, and strengthens your jaw muscles naturally. I've linked the exact mouth tape I use down below. Cheap, but game-changing. Number 2. Forward head posture. The modern hunch consequence. Every inch your head leans forward makes you look less confident, less dominant, and more like someone who's been defeated by life. It shortens your neck, rounds your shoulders, and ruins your side profile. Simple fix. Every hour, reset your posture, tuck your chin, roll your shoulders back, and imagine a string pulling your head upward. In 2 weeks, your silhouette alone will scream higher status. Insert before-after comparison visual cue. Number 3. Chronic sleep deprivation. The aesthetic killer. You ignore consequence. Dark circles, hollow eyes, bloated skin. Lack of sleep makes you look older, puffier, and less symmetrical. You can't outwork poor sleep with skincare or caffeine. Simple fix. Go full monk mode on your sleep for just 7 nights. Blackout room, no screens an hour before bed, consistent schedule. You'll wake up with tighter skin and sharper eyes. It's basically an instant facelift without the surgery. Number 4. Poor chewing habits. The jawline blocker consequence. Soft processed food. Weak jaw muscles. You lose that masculine definition that separates a boyish face from a hunter face. Most guys don't realize this one habit is the reason their mewing results plateau. Simple fix. Start chewing harder foods like carrots, gum, or even mastic gum daily. Skip the cheap gimmicks like jawline exercisers. They cause asymmetry and tension. Real muscle development comes from real chewing resistance. Number 5. Chronic facial tension. The hidden aging trigger consequence. You might think clenching your face makes you look more alpha. Wrong. Constant tension creates wrinkles, asymmetry, and aged skin. You end up looking angry, not dominant. Simple fix. Relax your forehead, drop your jaw, and consciously unclench your face during the day. Try this right now. Feel your face instantly look calmer and more symmetrical. It's small, but it changes your entire aura. Number 6. Blue light overexposure. The skin destroyer consequence. Staring at screens all day destroys collagen and dulls your complexion. You look perpetually tired, like you haven't slept in days, even when you have. Simple fix. Use blue light blocking glasses after sunset and install screen filters. Your skin tone will even out, your eyes will brighten, and your sleep quality skyrockets. I've linked my recommended pair below. Best investment for your face. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of guys who'll keep repeating these habits for the rest of their lives. Hit subscribe if you're serious about building your god face and destroying your insecurities for good. And check the links in the description. I've added every tool and product I personally recommend to help you fast-track your transformation. Stay sharp, stay aesthetic,